If you're looking to track referrals and leads on Top Echelon effectively, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how you can set up your system to track your referrals, manage leads, and optimize your workflow, whether you're new to Top Echelon or looking to make the most out of the features. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is ensure you're logged into your Top Echelon account. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry. You can use this software for free by clicking the first link in the description below to grab our exclusive bonuses. Now, let's dive into tracking referrals and leads. Top Echelon makes this process incredibly simple, and the key to success lies in the platform's built-in lead and referral tracking tools. When you get to the dashboard, you'll see various sections designed to help you stay organized and on top of your pipeline. The first section to focus on is the referral tracking section. You'll want to input your referral sources here, and Top Echelon does a great job of helping you monitor each referral as it moves through your system. Whether you're receiving referrals from clients, partners, or other sources, the system lets you track each one with ease. It's crucial to update these records regularly so you have accurate information on each lead. Next, let's talk about ACE, lead tracking. You'll need to add each lead manually or upload them in bulk if you have a large list. Once you've added them, you can organize your leads based on their status, whether they're new, active, or closed. Top Echelon offers powerful filters, so you can easily find leads based on criteria like the type of referral, date entered, and more. This is an essential step for maximizing your outreach and ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. A neat feature within the lead management section is the ability to create custom fields. These custom fields allow you to track specific details that are relevant to your business. For example, you could add a field for industry or lead source, which can be helpful for segmenting your leads for future outreach. Make sure to take advantage of this to create a system that works best for you. Once your leads are in the system, automated workflows become a game changer. With Top Echelon, you can set up automated emails, task reminders, and alerts based on a lead status. So if a lead reaches a certain stage, you'll automatically get a reminder to follow up or take the next step. This automation is essential for keeping your lead nurturing consistent and saving you time. Now, let's talk about reports, an often overlooked part of tracking referrals and leads. Top Echelon's reporting tool gives you insight into how your referrals are performing, which leads are converting, and how effective your outreach efforts are. You can pull reports by various parameters like lead source, referral source, and conversion rate, which helps you identify what's working and where you need to improve. You'll also want to integrate your email marketing platform with Top Echelon if you're running email campaigns. This integration allows you to seamlessly track which leads are engaging with your emails so you can prioritize follow-ups with the hottest prospects. The system even lets you tag leads based on their interactions, helping you create highly targeted campaigns. Now, if you're sticking with this process, you're on track to efficiently track referrals and leads with Top Echelon. But remember, as mentioned earlier, you can take advantage of a completely free trial with an exclusive bonus by clicking the link below. This trial will allow you to test all the features we've covered today and more. In summary, using Top Echelon to track referrals and leads doesn't have to be complex. By leveraging its built-in tracking tools, lead management features, automated workflows, and detailed reporting, you can streamline your lead generation process and stay on top of your business. Don't forget to click the link below to start your free trial and get access to the exclusive bonus.